Foreclosure is a legal process that happens when a homeowner stops making mortgage payments, allowing the lender to recover the property. At its core, foreclosure is the final step in a broken agreement between a borrower and their mortgage lender. Most lenders wait about 3 months of missed payments before they start the formal legal process to take back the home. The process moves from missed payments to a formal notice, followed by a grace period before the home is eventually put up for auction. Unlike a foreclosure where the bank seizes the home, a short sale allows the owner to sell it for less than the mortgage balance. Foreclosure has a significant, long-term negative impact on your credit report, typically lasting for 7 years. If you are struggling with payments, reach out to your lender early. They often have programs to help avoid this outcome entirely. Understanding these terms helps you advocate for your home. Thanks for watching, and remember to consult a professional for your specific situation.